please be mindful when even in 25 years, if it's myself or another company comes to tear this off, there's probably going to be about 20,000 inch and a quarter nails. And there's no easy way to do roofing. We do the best we can covering stuff, but be mindful afterwards. You're going to find one or two nails around your flower bed. You're going to find a couple little pieces of debris that we missed. It's not that we're inefficient. It's not that our company weren't professionals. It's just the sheer magnitude and volume of stuff we're pulling off the roof. To obtain every last bit of it is almost near impossible. So keep in mind, even the best of the best are going to leave you. And if somebody sends me a picture and they have that many nails out of their whole property, and I took 20,000 off, I think we did pretty good. Check your driveways for your kids and your pets to make sure we didn't miss these nails. Check your flower beds. Enjoy the new roof, obviously, as you do that and look up at it. But definitely check behind us. I mean, we do our best with magnets, and we run roller magnets that pick up all the nails, but definitely check the areas that you know your family use, your barbecuing area, and make sure that these things, we definitely got every last nail. I don't want a homeowner stepping on a nail.